Welcome back to the Python series. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at one of the most important aspects of programming, that is arithmetic and operators. These are the building blocks of making calculations and comparisons in any program. By the end of this video, you'll be comfortable using Python to perform basic arithmetic, compare values, and use more advanced operations like modulus and exponentiation. This lesson is essential because operators allow you to manipulate data and build the logic that powers your program. So let's dive in. But let's start with the basics arithmetic operations. These are the common mathematical operations we use every day like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. In Python, arithmetic operations are straightforward and the symbols are intuitive. First is addition operator. Using this operator, we can add two numbers. Let me show you an example. First type result equal to 5, then type addition operator sign 3. And in the next line type print result. Here we are adding 5 and 3 and the result is 8. Simple, right? Second is subtraction. It works similarly like addition. You just use the subtract symbol. Result equal to 10 subtract 4 and then type print result. In this example, 10 minus 4 gives us 6. Third is multiplication. Multiplication uses the asterisk. For example, result equal to 7 multiply 3 and then type print result. Fourth is division. Division is done using the slash symbol. Here's an example. Result equal to 10 divided by 2 and then type print result. Notice that Python returns the result as a float, even though the division is exact. When dividing in Python, you'll always get a float, even if the result is a whole number. This is important when performing further calculations, so always be mindful of the data type returned. But these are the 4 basic arithmetic operations and you'll use them constantly in your programs. Let's move on to comparison operators. Now that we know how to perform arithmetic, let's talk about comparing values using comparison operators. These are used to compare two values and return either true or false, which is helpful for decision making in your programs. Here are the common comparison operators in Python. First is greater than operator. This operator checks if the value on the left is greater than the value on the right. For example, type print 7 is greater than 3. Since 7 is greater than 3, Python returns true. Second is less than. This checks if the value on the left is smaller than the value on the right. For example, print 5 is less than 10. Python returns true because 5 is less than 10. Third is equal to. This checks if two values are equal. We use the double equal sign. For example, print 4 is equal to 4. If both values are the same, Python returns true. Fourth is not equal to. This checks if two values are not equal. For example, print 7 is not equal to 5. Since 7 is not equal to 5, Python returns true. Fifth is greater than or equal to. This checks if the value on the left is greater than or equal to the value on the right. Last is less than or equal to, similar to the previous operator, but checks if the left value is less than or equal to the right. For example, type print 3 is less than or equal to 5. Comparison operators are extremely useful when you need to make decisions in your program, such as deciding if one value is larger or smaller than another. Combined with conditional statements, they allow you to control the flow of your program. Next, let's talk about logical operators. These operators are used to combine comparison statements and return a true or false result based on the conditions. Python has 3 logical operators, that is AND, OR, and NOT. First is AND operator. The AND operator returns true if both conditions are true. Here's an example. X equal to 5, then print x is greater than 3 and x is less than 10. In this case, both conditions x greater than 3 and x less than 10 are true. So Python returns true. Second is OR operator. The OR operator returns true if at least one of the conditions is true. For example, first type x equal to 5, then type print x less than 3 or x greater than 2. Here x less than 3 is false, but x greater than 2 is true. So the overall result is true. Third is NOT operator. The NOT operator reverses the result of a condition. For example, x is equal to 5. Type print not x greater than 3. In this case, x greater than 3 is true, but because of the NOT operator, Python returns false. Let's walk through a scenario where you might use these operators. Say you're building a simple login system and want to check if the user's input is valid. You could combine logical operators like this. Username equal to admin and password equal to 1234. If username equal to admin and password equal to 1234, then print access granted, else print access denied. Here the user will only be granted access if both the username and password are correct. This is a practical example of using and to check multiple conditions at once. Now let's take a step further and explore some advanced arithmetic operators that are extremely useful in certain scenarios. First is modulus. The modulus operator returns the remainder of a division. For example, result equal to 10 modulus 3, then print result. Here when you divide 10 by 3, the remainder is 1. A real-world use case for modulus might be when you want to check if a number is even or odd. If the number modulo 2 equals 0, the number is even. First take number equal to 6. Then if number modulus 2 equal to 0, print even, else print odd. Second is floor division. Floor division divides two numbers and rounds down to the nearest whole number. Result equal to 10 floor division 3, then print result. In this example, 10 divided by 3 equals 3.333, but Python rounds it down to 3 using floor division. Third is exponentiation. Exponentiation is used to raise a number to the power of another number. Result equal to 2 exponentiation 3, then print result. Here we are raising 2 to the power of 3, which gives us 8. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We started with basic arithmetic operators addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Then we covered comparison operators like greater than, less than, and equal to. We explored logical operators like and or and not to combine conditions. Finally, we dive into advanced arithmetic with modulus, floor division, and exponentiation. These operators form the foundation for many programming tasks, from calculations to decision making. In the next video, we'll explore working with strings, which will take your programs to the next level. As always, practice what you've learned today by writing your own Python scripts and playing around with different operators. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe.